This footage right here is from after the main one hole stuff, so we just basically did a big lap of Holopaw, pulled out a ton of people, got stuck a bunch. It was a good time. If you like footage like this, there's a longer version of this video on the Patreon page, and there's a link on the screen right in front of you, and also in the description. Please support the channel.
You made it look like lean back! Lean left! Lean left!
Land right there about that. My bike's just floating.
Floating sideways.
It's just floating. I'm just riding. Like a jet ski. I was riding like a jet ski.
He's blocking his way.
Oh. Get up there.
Yeah! No, there's a trail back that way, behind those trees. They want to get to their camp because where we parked is full. There it is. There it is. You got it. Gentle, gentle.
So this group of guys right here, it was a bunch of forerunners, were hilarious. They were hitting everything. They got stuck a few times. I thought I had more footage of them. I pulled one of them out with the Pioneer quite successfully.
That guy in the Bronco just flicked me off. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah! Look, that's more important. That was close. All right.
Shoe!
Oh my goodness, my shoe. Go right to the left of Robin. Ah! We lost the cooler.
That's our sandwich!
Not.
Look deep on that thing.
So the guys in this talon were going hard and hitting this hole from the side a lot, and they did eventually flip over. Unfortunately, we didn't get it on camera.
Is the cooler floating? That's how you flip over.
here you have three 500cc cylinders dragging a V8 truck, dragging a trailer, dragging a very big side by side through some pretty bad sand. At the very end of the day, Michael experienced a portal bracket failure and ended up having to drive back to camp with this monster with one wheel steer and the other wheel just doing random shit. It was hilarious.